Hello beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Pretty Sarah. It's another beautiful Sunday episode. So today I'm going to talk to you about this delicate, I paused because it's very delicate, but the answer is straightforward. Now the question is my boyfriend or my girlfriend my responsibility? Okay, I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Think about it. Let me know your answer in the comment section. In case today is your first time stopping by, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below and give me a thumbs up. So, yes and a no. Let's move to the no, because I'm interested in that one. No, because 1, you are not my child. It is what it is. You're not my child. 2, anything can happen. We are just dating. We are courting. However you want to call it. But you are not my responsibility. I'm talking for both genders. You get what I mean? Irrespective of your gender, whether you are male or female. Please do not invest in someone's child unless you have a covenant with them. And by covenant, I mean you both are married. So that's the only reason that should warrant you investing in someone. Don't say, oh, I'm going to pay her fees. I'm going to do this for her. Help her to learn a trade, a skill. And then later we'll get married. No, don't do that. The person has got parents. Well, if you're doing that, then you're doing that without expecting anything in return, because this person can graduate, can finish whatever course he or she is doing and suddenly change. Listen, youngsters, young ladies, young men, ladies and gentlemen, in short, please, let's wise up. If I am your girlfriend, I am not your responsibility unless I become your wife. And if you are my boyfriend, you are not my responsibility. I'm sorry. Unless you become my husband. So let's get this clear. And then to the second answer. Yes, I am your responsibility. If you, the man, you expect me to play a wife role. You expect me to have sex with you. You expect me to wash your things. You expect me to cook for you. Then I'm also expecting you to take care of me. So listen, the ball is in your court. Just live this life in such a way that you're not going to stress yourself on the channel. So simple and short. Don't cook for your boyfriend or girlfriend. Don't pay for their expenses, whatever. Don't cover their bills. Just get to know yourself. Listen, a hungry man can pretend to love you. A hungry woman or a woman in need can pretend to love you. So to avoid pretense in your relationship, you know what? Don't pay for bills. Live in your parents' home. If you are helping your partner, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, then know that you are doing it out of your own free will. Don't be obliged. It's not mandatory. It's not compulsory. You get what I mean? So please, these, unnecessary broken hearts, you know what? It's because you invested where you were unable to harvest. So make sure whenever you are investing is a place where you can harvest. I'm not saying marriage can change a bad person. There are some people, whether you are married to them or not, they can still misbehave. You get what I mean? They can still leave. But you know what? At least you know you were married to them when you were giving them that help. What I say? So please, broken heart will revert is because you invested in someone who eventually disappointed you or left you. So please, your boyfriend, your girlfriend is not your responsibility, whether you are Christian or not. That way, protect your heart. What I say? Thank you for watching me today too. This is a brief message. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like the video. Bye y'all.